alright for you, but it don't feel the same 'cause since you left, I'm through. We don't like being outside, so let's just get I do. Remind me where you stay by 7-5. I go, you and I can't decide 'cause I'm so in. I'm so, girl, I don't feel the notion when we fuck. I do, you like to wear my chains with so much pride. It's cute, why can't I feel a thing if I'm so wrong to you? I guess that's where the moment, 'cause I'm breaking your walls, so set in your guard. Fuck you at your flaws, let them all fall. I'm swiping my feet, you swiping my card. I'm swiping these streets.
This is all full body. Same thing, full body. Yep. There goes the light, right there. Perfect. 3/4 now, nice and tight. Perfect. Right. Let's just do some kneeling, and then you're gonna use your hands to kind of like pull on top of the. All right, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Light is changing so much. Body, perfect. On, light's changing again. 3/4, nice and tight. Beautiful, I love that, perfect. Full body again, perfect. Okay, good. What side do you like more? You like the right side or your left side?
The right side.
Okay, perfect. All right, cool. Because I was gonna actually shoot this way, because I think because of the
Side.
Okay, let's try this for the hair because of the wind and see what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, let's try that. 3/4, nice and tight. Let's fix the hair. Let's do the other side. Let's do the other side. I think the other side's better. Yeah, let's do the other side. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, perfect. There, right there, right there. Perfect. Fix the hair again. There we go, perfect. Full body. Beautiful. Gotta shoot down. Get a nice wide shot. Same thing, beautiful. It's like a catalog for sure. And we'll stop for a second. It's Miami, man. Clouds coming in and out. So we got a little bit of gap. We'll do a few more here. We'll do some video. I shoot super fast, so I got. Yeah, they look good. Yeah, they look great. Let's see when it comes up here. So what I plan to do there is like change the sky. So it's gonna look like a catalog for sure.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
The contrast looks really good.
Yeah, it's fire.
Oh, look at these ones.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, like I can't wait to change it. Once I change the sky, yeah, the sky.
You like the editing part?
Yeah, the editing part, yeah. The color grading, guys. It's my favorite part, you know?
Yeah.
Both knees here, and then you're coming here. Yeah. Face me and like be kind of underneath it a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Perfect. There we go. Yep. And what side? You said? All right, cool. It looks good. Light looks great. Fix the exposure here. Okay, and perfect. Might have to sit up a little bit. If you can sit up a little bit, yeah, the best you can. Yep. Right there, perfect. Love that. All right, let's do that. Let's do that. Yep, perfect. And it's just that one loose hair right here. Yep, behind the ear. Perfect. Yep. All right, good. Let's do some video. Come back out now.
Cause I'm going through some phases. Past the manipulation. Product of my own behavior. Cause I'm so stuck on you. I thought that I'd fuck you, but it was deja vu. Forever, girl, I ride with you, but don't feel the same. Cause since you lied, I'm through. We don't like being outside, so let's just dip. I do. Remind me where you say 575. I cool. You think I can't decide cause I'm so damn bounce. Girl, I don't feel the notion when we fuck. I do. You like to wear my chains with so much pride. It's cute. Why can't I feel a thing if I'm so wrong to you? I guess I spur the moment cause I'm damn bounce. I guess I spur the moment. So don't make no shame.
Yeah. You know, we work out, man. You know, we work out over here. You know what I'm saying? Multitasking. We run to the location, you know what I mean? See, I gotta fight the light. That's why, you know, I got him like, man, we gotta hurry up and get over here. All right. We'll start off with video. We'll do video first while the sun is out. So I think I just kind of want you to act like you're coming out. Yeah, like that. Yeah, from there. Yeah. Video first. Well, actually, no, it's on photos. Let's do photos. Perfect, right there, beautiful. Catalog, beautiful. Let me take this off and do verticals. That might have been the thumbnail, not sure yet. All right, right there, nice and tall. Let's see these settings here, 125. Actually, take this ND off. 1 second. Stop this down. Let's go to F, 5.6. Perfect. Guys, this light is changing so much. This looks amazing. Love that, keep that. I love the shapes and everything, it looks great. Eyes here for a little bit. Wow, yep, that's perfect. Get a little bit of that sky in there. Full body now. Back to tight shot. Yep, this is catalog for sure. Let's do some from the back, maybe the side angle. Maybe put both hands, yeah, maybe put both hands there. Yeah. Okay, yeah, just be careful. Okay, video again. 3, 2, 1, action. And cut, good, that's changed. Good job.
Fighting the light.
Yeah, fighting the light, guys. We got a good pocket right here, so let's change and then we'll get creative.